you got tumblers, I'm going to show you how to assemble them. So out of the box, you should have two very large half circles of foam, along with two big pieces of vinyl. One thing to note is that the vinyl will come inside out. That's intentional. It's going to make it easier for you to stuff. So don't be alarmed. This is not what the vinyl will look like once assembled. Leave it inside out, and the first thing you're going to do is find the zipper, which for me, it's right there. It's going to vary depending on a lot of different things, but find that zipper and get that unzipped. Okay, so you've got it unzipped. Now, you should have a black side, and then in my case, it's pewter. It could be whatever color you chose. The black side is the bottom. This is the bottom. And try and center it as best you can. It's easiest if you line up the seams and go down rather than starting with an edge and coming this way. So you find each seam like that. Have it about centered, and then roll the vinyl down. All right, so you've got it mainly on. Before you zip it, just try and make sure that the seams are as close to that edge as possible. So you can kind of stick your hand in and just move it around a little bit to make sure that you're as close to those edges with the seams as you can be. Once you feel good about the cornering, you go ahead and zip it. Got one done. The second one is literally the exact same. So I'm going to run through this one real quick. And there you have it. Two tumblers assembled. Especially right after they come out of the box, there is a chance that you see some wrinkling. Most all of this will come out as your kids play with it. With use, it stretches itself out and it will shrink to fit to that foam very nicely. But if you want to, you may iron this with a towel right on top of it. We've got a video that we'll link on this video to show you how to do that. Otherwise, these are good to go.